Hi, thank you for joining me today. My name is Barbara D and I'm here at Guarantee RV in Junction City. Today I'm going to show you a Jayco product. This is a 218 Jayco Jay Flight 287 bunkhouse with a super slide. I love the fact that it's got an electric tongue jack on it right here, so it makes it very easy to get on and off the ball of your truck. This is a great trailer. It's something that you can use year-round. You can take it up into the woods, you can take it to the coast, or you can take it into any nice RV park. It's a lovely rig. Let's take a look inside. It's got some pass-through storage right here, which is very nice for you. I mean, one of the important things about RVs is storage, so it's nice that it has quite a bit. And it's got a terrific floor plan. A nice big awning out here with speakers on each end and LED lighting. 3 steps and a grab handle as you come up here so you can get in and out easily. It just feels kind of homey, you know, complete with that. You've got this nice sofa that's will make down into a bed. This is a nice horseshoe table so everybody can sit around and play some cards or some games. You've got storage underneath this. It makes into a bed for someone that's probably 6 foot tall. I'm kind of short, so I fit about anywhere. An oversized refrigerator. This is a Norcold, so you've got a great big freezer here and a nice fridge to keep everything nice and handy. And they provide an oven, the range top, and a microwave. A nice deep sink with the Spradius handle. Great deck of drawers. I mean, these drawers are so strong that when they demo this at this factory, they put a great big brick in it. So they'll hold quite a bit of stuff. You come back here and you've got more pantry space for your family needs, as well as a coat closet, which is really handy for the kids stuff because this is a bunkhouse. A lot of times it's either going to be an older relative or the kids. A nice deck of drawers right here. One of the things that I see in this trailer that I don't always see in a bunkhouse trailer is this. Something as simple as this, a ladder. They are having the kids jump up and pull down and all the rest of it, and eventually that's going to wear things out. So you've got a nice double bed up here, a secondary bed down here. They're teddy bear, they're nice and thick and plush. And I'm going to have the cameraman just take a scan in here real quick. So they've got their own light. It's got an air conditioning vent. Just a few things to make it super handy. And this is the bathroom. So as you see, you can have the kids or yourself, a grown. I'm a kid at heart anyway. So big kids, little kids, you can come in and out of this door to enter. It's got a fantastic shower. Look at this. I mean, look. It has got a great big shower, so you're not having to stand up in some little dome and wash like this. You can move around here. A porcelain toilet. The outside door is handy. They've already put the towel rack here. I'm going to show you the master bedroom before we get done. And I just kind of want to scoot over here. Even this is a neat idea. TV goes here, but check it out. There's a place for the kids to put their shoes or to put a few things away that you don't, or sit down and kick off your shoes even. Hang your coat up. Just nice things like that. And it still has a private bedroom for mom and dad. So this is a very comfortable, large, it's a standard size set, so you can get regular sheets for it. Lots of storage on each side. Fantastic storage underneath it here. I mean, it just goes on and on and on. So, I'm getting caught up here. So it's the features here is that it's a 28-foot trailer. It'll fit in any park. It's a Rocky Mountain edition, so you've got some raised axles. Plenty of room for mom and dad, the family, the kids. Great big bathroom. It's a super nice trailer. My name is Barbara D, and I'm out here at Guarantee. Seeing is believing, and sitting down on the couch and lying down on the bed is really what makes all the difference in the world. Please call me. My number is 541-521-4232. I always answer my phone. My name is Barbara D, and I'm with Guarantee RV. Thank you so much for spending a few minutes with me today. I appreciate it.